here's the trade. I'm getting up. It's 9:45. You see at the top in the red. It's Monday morning. And based on what I know how to trade, the big question is, when's an optimum time to engage? When's an optimum time to disengage? So this morning, the stock gapped up. Okay, and then I entered the trade. I took 25 shares right there. So you see up at the top left kind of says short 25. I've got 25 shares. I got one eye open. So anyway, I'm making 250 right there. If I close the trade right now, I'll make $250. And I've been in the trade for probably 30 minutes. Well, let's see here. Each of these bars, see down at the bottom where it says 1M, 5M, each of these bars printing are 5 minutes. So I got in right at the end of that one. So 5, 10, 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes I've been in the trade, and I'm receiving $286.08 at the moment. So let me scan back here. Always like to go see what the overall world's doing. These are different stocks, of course, that I look at. There's thousands of them. I just pick a handful and kind of stay up with them. Okay, there's mixy stuff. Some of the world's going up, some of the world's going down. Okay, Amazon fell off a little bit more. Let's go back and look at it. So now I'm up 388. You see up the top left there, $388. If I had more shares, if I had double the shares, man, I'd be up twice as much already. So 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, I'm up 366. So if I close, look at the top very left, 1591.78. That's the last price. If I close it at that price, I'll get that 366 minus a couple bucks in commission. So I'm going to go ahead and it's close enough. I'm going to close this trade out. And it will say market. Up, nope. No, cancel. 25, there we go. Good. Close it out, see what happens. Okay, I got out. I filled it. 1591.88. So let's see what happened over here. Okay, that's where I got out right there. Kind of cool, huh? So you can subtract those two numbers if you wanted to. We'll just say 1592 to 1607. 15 times 25. I made $375 in about 20 minutes, I guess. 20 minutes. It's 9:52. You see at the top. About 15-20 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go take a shower. Hope this encourages you guys. You gotta learn how to make your own money. Get in a position to receive. I like to get my terms right. It's really receiving. I didn't make anything there. I just learned how to get in the way of it where the market was ready to give me something. So it's kind of a biblical principle. All right, have a great day.